Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create shortcut of any file or folder in your Google Drive. So to create any shortcut, first let's access our Google Drive either using the Google Drive application for desktop or using any web browser of your choice. So once you are inside the Google Drive, you need to go to the My Drive button right here to better access the file or folder that you want to create a shortcut of. So then once you have successfully found the file of which you want to create a shortcut, you need to simply click on these three dots right here. Then you will see this organize option right here. Just hover your cursor and you can see this add shortcut button right here. Simply click on this add shortcut button and it will ask you for the location of the shortcut. So for example, I want this shortcut to be placed directly on my drive. So all I need to do is click on this add button, and here you can see that if I go to the my drive now, I can directly access this file without actually having to navigate inside this folder and then to the file. So it is very helpful if you have complex structures of files and you want a quick shortcut to any file that you frequently use. And the best part is that you actually don't have to move the file right here, and you can simply access it by keeping the file in its place. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.